The
No, you
electric.
can't smoke in here. I'm not smoking.
It's electric. Let me see.
Jen, you can't smoke in here.
I'm not smoking. It's an electronic cigarette. There's no secondhand smoke.
It's supposed to be just steam that comes out. You read the thing.
It freaking looks like a toy. Is what it looks like to me.
Can you feel anything being inhaled?
You can feel a little bit.
No, I'm
It just
scared of
doesn't-
it.
It just
Fucking try it.
it doesn't
Pussy.
taste really good. Not to me because I smoke menthols, but
It's heavy.
it's heavier than a cigarette. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like.
And you recharge the battery in it. And
Oh.
It's like.
it's supposed to be like you're actually inhaling steam though.
I don't like it.
I feel like I'm in a steam room, but
Ooh,
I'm
it
smoking a
has
butt.
It has a weird aftertaste.
It does. To me, it does too.
Ooh. I just smoked an electronic cigarette. An electronic cigarette.
Alicia, you can't smoke in here.
Comes with a
It's an
charger.
electronic cigarette.
Blow me.
Blow me.
But I just wonder, you know, like you're smoking at the bar at the town spa, right? And Max says, "Hey, you can't smoke that." Hey, Max, blow me. He said, "Hey, electronic cigarette."
Let's go do it right
I'm
now.
not smoking.
Can I borrow that, Dad?
Huh?
I want to do it.
Yeah, just smoke it behind the counter at the takeout.
I'm just gonna walk in. Patty's working right now.